Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how we can access our course. So for accessing the course, first you need to log into our platform. So click on login and enter the mail ID that you have registered with or the username. So I am just entering my details out here. So just make sure that this is the same mail ID that you have registered over our platform or you have purchased the course with. So click on the login. And then here you can see a my courses tab available now. You'll click on this and the course that you have enrolled in for. Then after that, if you are visiting or accessing the course for the first time over our platform, then this is a sort of a verification form that you will get. You don't need to change anything over it. All you need to do is just add in some details like the college name and the mobile number. So now the details have been added on successfully. Now I can access the course. So just click on the dashboard button and here I'll see the course that I have logged in or the purchased one. So just click on that and after that you can access all the videos and the reference files or the other assignments and quizzes that are available. And on the left side you can navigate to a particular thing that you want to navigate. So that is how you can access the course on our platform. So that verification form is a one-time process. If you are accessing the course for the very first time, then only you need to follow that. After that, everything is simple. Just need to log into our platform and then you will be able to access the course like the way it was shown in the starting of this video. So that's all. Thank you.